Hey y'all, McLaney here, realtor with the Steph Brothers team at eXp Realty. Today I am out shopping for a client and came across an awesome find. This is a 4-bedroom, 3.5 bathroom home. It is just over 3,000 square feet with a home office, a separate little guest suite area, and a formal dining room. But one of the best parts about this home is the 2-story grand entry and the 2-story living room. But in addition to that, all of the storage, you would not believe the storage under the stairs from the laundry room. So come check it out with me. This home is in Richmond, Texas. Brand new home in a new community, zoned to LamarCISD. The price point for this brand new home is just over $600,000. If you or someone you know is looking for a brand new home or a resale home, let me know. I would love to share this option and others with them.